Today, we are going to be making the best, most delicious hot chocolate, homemade from scratch. That classic hot chocolate that brings you comfort, that is soothing, that is so rich, creamy, and delicious. And it is food for the soul. I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Join me in making this wonderful recipe. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our cooktop at a very low temperature. We're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of half and half. Then add 2 heaping tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. We are just going to try to completely melt and blend the morsels. So now we're going to put the milk in, and that is 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk that you want, but my recommendation is you use 2% or higher, as that will be the richest tasting. You just keep combining it until everything is completely blended. You're going to add in a dash of pure vanilla extract, which is roughly 1/8 to 1/16 a teaspoon. It is so little, just enough just to get a nice taste going, but not too much. Next, we add in 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. And next we add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now this is starting to combine really nicely now. So it's time for our last ingredient, which is 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. By the way, we are making 1 serving right now. So if you want to make a batch for 4 people, just to this amount times 4. My recommendation, I would put in no more than 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Unless that's your bag. If you love it, go for it. But I like it to just be a discreet taste, not overwhelming. The semi-sweet morsels should blend in entirely. However, if you find melty chocolate bits in your drink at the end, and this isn't something you enjoy, you can always strain the hot chocolate into your 10-ounce mug. Now we want to stop it before it starts to boil. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. All you have to do now is get a beautiful mug and go ahead and pour in the hot cocoa. Perfection. For presentation, style, and taste, I like to add some delicious toppings to my hot chocolate. First, I cover the top with whipped cream, piled high. Then, I drizzle chocolate sauce on top. This looks absolutely delicious. All that's left to do now is drink it. Should we give it a try? That is so good. Oh, this is everything you want it to be. It's comforting, it's soothing, it's rich, it's creamy, it's delicious. And it tastes like home. You know what I mean? Not to be corny, but that's kind of what it tastes like to me. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe so you can get all of my latest videos. Also, you can check out previous videos right here. Until next time, wishing you simple, fantastic cooking.